Today we're diving into 15 must-have Bosch tools for 2026. Upgrade your workshop today. From precision screwdrivers to powerful cutting and drilling machines, these Bosch tools are built for performance, durability, and accuracy. Whether you're a professional or DIY enthusiast, this lineup will help you work faster, cleaner, and more efficiently on every project. Let's explore the future of workshop innovation. The Bosch GSD 4V35 screwdriver is engineered for precision, power, and versatility in tight spaces. Its compact design makes it perfect for wood, metal, and plastic applications, while 8 torque settings allow you to adjust for delicate or heavy-duty tasks. Dual activation lets you start via button or surface press. A mechanical clutch prevents overdriving, and an electronic brake stops instantly for accuracy and safety. The 2Ah integrated battery charges via USB-C, offering convenience and portability. Its built-in LED doubles as a flashlight, illuminating dark work areas. Ergonomically designed, it minimizes hand fatigue during extended use, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking compact, reliable screw-driving performance. The Bosch GSB 18V hammer drill driver delivers impressive torque and impact power while remaining compact and lightweight. Designed for wood, metal, and masonry, it allows professionals to drill and drive screws with confidence. Kickback control reduces sudden bind-ups, while dual LED lights provide shadow-free visibility in tight areas. Its short head length fits comfortably in confined spaces, and its efficient motor extends battery run time. Trades like carpentry, electrical, and cabinet installation benefit from its smooth operation, high performance, and reliable durability. The ergonomic grip and balanced weight distribution ensure comfort during prolonged use. Whether drilling holes or driving fasteners, the Bosch GSB 18V combines corded-level power with cordless convenience, offering consistent professional results for any project in your workshop. The Bosch GLA 18V H7500 hybrid area light is perfect for well-lit, productive workspaces. Delivering up to 7,500 lumens across 3 adjustable brightness levels, it ensures optimal visibility for indoor or outdoor tasks. Flexible power options allow battery or plug-in operation, providing uninterrupted light throughout long projects. The light features 180 degrees and 360 degrees modes to switch between focused and broad area illumination. Multiple mounting options, including a sturdy metal hook and 5/8 tripod thread, make positioning easy. A USB-C port lets you charge mobile devices on the go, and a clear interface displays power and mode status. Durable and portable, this hybrid area light enhances safety, visibility, and workflow efficiency for any construction, renovation, or DIY project. Mixing heavy materials is effortless with the Bosch GRW 18V 160 high-torque mixer. Its brushless motor provides powerful and consistent performance across 2 gear stages to handle liquids, creams, or dense mixtures. A soft start feature prevents splatter, and 3 speed settings allow precise control for any material. Ergonomic handles support natural posture, and an extended shaft reduces back strain during prolonged use. Constant speed technology ensures uniform mixing even under load, while kickback control stops operation instantly if torque spikes. Lightweight yet durable, this cordless mixer enhances mobility across job sites. From drywall mud and adhesives to paint and mortar, the Bosch GRW high-torque mixer delivers efficient, professional-grade mixing for contractors, painters, and DIYers seeking accuracy and comfort in demanding projects. The Bosch GDS 18V 350 impact wrench offers compact yet powerful performance for bolting and fastening jobs. Its high-impact output breaks loose stubborn fasteners, while the short head allows access to tight spaces. Multiple torque settings provide control for small bolts or heavy-duty applications. A brushless motor ensures energy efficiency, reducing downtime for battery charging. Ideal for automotive work, metal fabrication, scaffolding, and HVAC tasks, it drives bolts smoothly without damaging threads. Ergonomic grips and balanced weight reduce fatigue even during long sessions. The cordless design adds mobility on any job site. Professional-grade durability and consistent torque make the Bosch GDS 18V-350 a reliable tool for mechanics, contractors, and workshop enthusiasts needing precision and power in a compact form factor. The Bosch 18V brushless nailers and staplers remove the hassle of cords and compressors, offering smooth, precise fastening with cordless freedom. Compact and lightweight, they make tight spaces easy to handle while reducing user fatigue throughout the day. An optimized drive system minimizes recoil for cleaner, accurate fastener placement, and one-handed operation works comfortably for both right-handed and left-handed users. Clear sight lines help prevent mistakes, and smart settings allow switching between single-shot and rapid-fire modes for speed and efficiency. Ideal for trim, cabinetry, furniture, or fabric work, these tools deliver professional-grade results. With long-lasting battery life, minimal maintenance, and reliable brushless power, the Bosch 18V nailers and staplers are essential for any workshop or job site requiring precision and speed. The Bosch GCD 18V14 Drycut saw ensures precise, clean cuts on various materials with minimal dust. Its integrated bright laser guide keeps cutting lines accurate, while an overload indicator alerts you to avoid strain or overwork. Tool-free adjustable vise and a folding compact design allow quick setup and easy portability. Left side miter cuts up to 45 degrees provide versatility for angled cuts, while the secure adapter holds round stock firmly in place. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces user fatigue during extended use. Ideal for woodworkers, renovators, or DIY enthusiasts, the Bosch GCD Drycut saw combines portability, precision, and efficiency, making it an indispensable tool for jobs requiring accuracy, speed, and dust-controlled performance. The Bosch GDR 18V215 impact driver delivers high-speed precision for wood, metal, and dense hardwood applications. Spinning up to 3,300 RPM, it drives long screws and fasteners quickly, reducing manual effort. Auto driving modes detect the material and adjust torque and speed automatically, protecting screws and surfaces. A compact cordless design fits easily in tight spaces, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfortable operation throughout extended projects. The built-in belt clip keeps the tool handy on the job site. Professionals and DIYers alike benefit from its balanced weight, reliable brushless motor, and consistent torque. From cabinetry and furniture assembly to general construction, the Bosch GDS 18V-350 impact driver makes fastening faster, more accurate, and stress-free, offering dependable performance for every workshop task. The Bosch GOP 18V40 Starlock Max Oscillating Multi-Tool is designed for versatility and precision across remodeling, carpentry, and plumbing tasks. Its brushless motor powers up to 20,000 oscillations per minute with 6 speed settings, allowing smooth material removal and cutting. The Starlock Max interface ensures tool changes are 8 times faster than standard systems. Auto-stop technology prevents damage at the end of cuts, while adaptive speed control maintains consistent performance. Ergonomic design reduces vibration by 80%, increasing comfort during prolonged use. From trimming and sanding to cutting and scraping, this multi-tool provides professional-grade performance with exceptional control. Compact, durable, and efficient, the Bosch GOP Oscillating Multi-Tool is an essential addition for any workshop requiring high precision and flexibility. The Bosch Detect 200C wall floor scanner offers advanced radar technology for detecting hidden obstacles with precision. It identifies live and non-live cables, metal and plastic pipes, rebar, and wooden studs up to 8 inches deep, preventing costly mistakes during drilling or cutting. Depth readings show the exact distance of objects, and water leaks are detected instantly. The large 3.5-inch color display provides clear visuals, while a screenshot function allows easy documentation. USB-C and SD card slots enable seamless data transfer. Lightweight and portable, the scanner is perfect for contractors, electricians, plumbers, and DIYers. Accurate, safe, and efficient, the Bosch Detect 200C improves workflow, reduces errors, and adds confidence when working on walls, floors, and ceilings. The Bosch GFF 18V086 Biscuit joiner delivers precise, strong, and professional-grade joints for woodworking projects. Its brushless motor powers clean cuts through hardwood while maintaining battery efficiency for longer sessions. Tool-free depth adjustment accommodates biscuit sizes up to 0.87 inches and 5 lock-in angles, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, ensure consistent setups. A depth knob lets you switch quickly between 0, 10, and 20 biscuits. Ergonomic grips and integrated dust extraction make long projects comfortable and mess-free. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture making, and shelving, this joiner ensures accurate alignment and repeatable performance. With cordless freedom, compact design, and reliable Bosch engineering, the GFF 18V086 Biscuit joiner is a must-have for woodworkers seeking precision and efficiency. The Bosch GRW 18V120 Chuck Mud Mixer is a compact, ergonomic solution for mixing drywall mud, adhesives, paints, mortar, and plaster. Its brushless motor delivers consistent power across 3 speed settings, including soft start, dial, and variable speed options for precise, splash-free blending. Adjustable handles and a 13-centimeter extension reduce back strain while maintaining control. Constant speed technology ensures even mixing under load, and kickback control stops operation instantly if torque spikes. Lightweight and portable, it allows movement between workspaces without restriction. Professional drywallers, plasterers, tilers, and painters will appreciate its comfort, reliability, and consistent results. The Bosch GRW 18V120 Chuck Mud Mixer combines portability, power, and precision for faster, safer, and cleaner job site performance. The Bosch GST 18V37 top-handle jigsaw is designed for intricate curves and detailed patterns, offering precision and control in every cut. Its brushless motor delivers up to 3,300 strokes per minute, while 4-stage orbital action adapts to different materials and cutting styles. Variable speed lets users balance detail work or aggressive cuts. Reduced stroke when idle improves accuracy at the start of cuts. Tool-free blade changes and a built-in LED ensure visibility and efficiency, while the dust blower keeps cutting lines clear. Lightweight and ergonomic, this jigsaw minimizes fatigue during extended use. Perfect for cabinet makers, woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts, the Bosch GST 18V37 combines power, accuracy, and portability in one versatile cutting tool. The Bosch GSA 18V126 Pro Factor Reciprocating Saw is built for demanding tasks on wood, metal, and drywall. Its 1.25-inch stroke length and up to 3,000 strokes per minute provide fast, efficient material removal. Bi-turbo brushless technology maximizes battery performance, while 6 speed settings allow precise control for various materials. Kickback control and end-of-cut detection enhance safety during intense work. Adaptive speed and orbital switching provide smooth operation, and dual vibration dampening reduces fatigue during extended use. Tool-free blade changes increase convenience. Compact yet powerful, this cordless saw is ideal for contractors, renovators, and DIYers needing professional strength without the restrictions of cords. The Bosch GSA 18V126 delivers speed, control, and reliability on every job. The Bosch GKF 18V25 Colt palm router offers precision routing for edges, surfaces, and flush cuts. Its brushless motor provides 1.39 peak horsepower, spinning between 10,000 and 30,000 RPM for clean, accurate results. Adjustable grips support both horizontal and vertical applications, and fine and rough depth controls ensure perfect cuts every time. Quick flip and release spindle locks make bit changes fast and easy. Enhanced dust extraction keeps workspaces tidy, while drop detection and soft start protect both the user and the tool. Lightweight, ergonomic, and cordless, it's ideal for cabinetry, trim work, and custom wood projects. Professionals and hobbyists benefit from its balance of power, precision, and maneuverability, making the Bosch GST 18V25 a versatile addition to any workshop. That's a wrap on the 15 must-have Bosch tools for 2026. Upgrade your workshop today. These tools are designed to boost your efficiency, precision, and overall workshop performance like never before. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more powerful tool updates. Drop a comment below telling us which Bosch tool you like the most, or which one you plan to add to your toolkit next.